If a handmade fringe repair or rework is not possible, one alternative is to attach a machine-made fringe. Most collectors will disapprove of this action for numerous reasons, from aesthetic unsuitability to depreciation in value. For practical reasons, however, attaching a machine-made fringe will protect the ends of the rug and prevent any damage from spreading. It is a fairly straightforward procedure, but in order to attach the new fringe, there must be kalim work at the damaged end. Do not attempt to sew the fringe to the piled part of the rug, or to trim the kalim end down to where the knots begin. The kalim of the rug should be inserted between the flaps of the fringe, or, as in our example, attached to the front side, wrapping the allowed extra around the back for a neat finish. It is recommended that you use invisible nylon thread. However, to illustrate, we have used a dark color. Attach using small hemming stitches to completion.